Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. In the last class, I have introduced what are chemical changes and what are physical changes. We have discussed many physical changes. Now, we can deal with some chemical changes or some chemical reactions. Are you ready? First one, burning of magnesium ribbon. All burning process are chemical reaction. Burning means it's a reaction with oxygen. Here we are going to discuss about burning of magnesium ribbon. For that, take a small piece of thin strip of magnesium ribbon. Then clean it with a sandpaper and bring it near the candle flame. What you can observe? It burns with bright white light. When it completely burns, it leaves ash. Is it a physical change or chemical change? Yes, definitely it's a chemical change. In this change, magnesium ribbon burns. By the process of burning, magnesium ribbon changed into ash. This ash is a new product. So, it's a chemical reaction. After this reaction, a new product is formed. That is ash. So, we can write its chemical reaction. Here, magnesium reacts with the oxygen. So, Mg plus O2 gives ash. Here the ash is the magnesium oxide. The chemical name of this ash is magnesium oxide. So magnesium react with the oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here the new product is magnesium oxide. Next, we can dissolve this ash in water and check its nature, whether it is acidic or basic. So take some water in beaker and dissolve this ash. And check it with blue and red litmus paper. Then you can see that it turns red litmus to blue. That means it's basic in nature. Here is another chemical change or another chemical reaction. Magnesium oxide reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Here the new product is magnesium hydroxide, and the nature of magnesium hydroxide is basic. Next we can deal with another chemical change. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of copper sulfate powder in half cup of water in a glass. Then you will get copper sulfate solution. The color of copper sulfate solution is blue. Next add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid solution. Save a small sample of solution in a test tube or small glass bottle. Drop an iron nail into the remaining solution. Wait for half an hour. What do you observe? The color of the solution changes. The blue color of the copper sulfate solution changes to green color. Copper shift from solution to nail, and this iron shift from nail to solution. So the color of the copper sulfate solution changes to green and brown color. Copper is deposited on iron nail. Now let us write its chemical reaction. Chemical equation. Here first we take copper sulfate solution and iron nail. So we can write copper sulfate plus iron gives iron sulfate plus copper. This copper sulfate solution changes to iron sulfate solution. The color of copper sulfate solution is blue and the color of iron sulfate is green. And copper is deposited from copper sulfate solution to iron nail. So the reaction is copper sulfate plus iron gives iron sulfate plus copper. Let's wind up today's session. Firstly, discuss about burning of magnesium ribbon. So my question is, which is the new product formed as a result of burning of magnesium ribbon? New product is magnesium oxide in the form of ash. And we dissolve this ash in water. Which product will form? Magnesium hydroxide. It's basic in nature. And next chemical reaction. The reaction of copper sulfate with iron. As a result of this reaction, what are the new products formed? Iron sulfate and copper. Hope all you have understood about these two chemical reactions. I have attached notes as well as test paper. All you have to attend the test paper. I have provided a link. So we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.